Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to talk to you about your informative writing that we talked about during our Zoom meeting today. And it sounded like maybe we needed to talk about how to do it. Okay. So the first one that I brought was R is for raccoons. And on this one, it says on the very first question, it says, I know about, and I just put raccoons. I know about raccoons. Okay. And that's going to be just the very first title. So raccoons is up here. What's wearing a mask? The raccoon. Raccoons have thick fur. They have front paws that have long fingers. They have long toes. So I took a highlighter, and you can use a yellow crayon, and where it says on the very first part of this, it says they have. So now you're going to look at your page, and right here it says they have. So that's the sentence that you're going to write. So I'm going to take my paper, and it says they have front paws that have long fingers. You can just write front paws. So right here I'm going to write front paws. Okay, so that's the next part. Then we're going to look for these words. They are. So they are. So now I'm going to take my highlighter or my yellow crayon again, and I'm going to look for they are. Raccoons are mammals. They are nocturnal. Remember, do you remember what that means? It means they stay awake at night, right? Nocturnal, like owls and possums. So they are nocturnal. They are omnivores. So they eat mostly everything. So they are nocturnal. So right here, sorry about that, I'm trying to write upside down. You can see that journal. And put a period after that one. Okay, they can. So now I'm going to look for my they can on the paper. Let's see. Raccoons can wash their food in water. They can. So we're going to look for they can. There it is. They can, live in forests. So it also says they can climb trees, but since the line is so short, I would just put the first one. So they can, and then I'm going to write live in forests. If we had a longer line, you could probably fit both of those, okay? So now I'm going to put live in forests. I'm going to have to figure out how else I can do this so you can kind of see me writing, but right now I just want to help you quickly with this one, okay? So they can live in forests, and then I know about. So that very last part, it says I know about. You're going to put the same thing you put here, raccoons, okay? So that'll be the very last thing, raccoons. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I did here. I'm going to read it to you. I know about raccoons. They have front paws. They are nocturnal. They can live in forests. I know about raccoons. Okay, so I'm going to do the next one with you also. And that was in your, I think it was your Z packet, and it was Z for zebras. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you. What's black and white? These facts about zebras. Zebras have hooves. So those, remember, the nails on their feet. They have night vision, which means they can see at night. They have black and white stripes. Zebras are mammals. They are wild horses. They are herbivores. Zebras can live in Africa. They live in herds. They can gallop fast. So very quickly, I'm just going to show you with my yellow crayon what we're going to highlight and write. I know about, and you're going to put zebras. They have night vision right here. And you're just going to write night vision. They are, so we're going to put they are wild horses. And then the very last one, they can live in Africa. They can live in Africa. So those are the sentences that you're going to write on your paper. All right, and then if you have any questions, just give me a call, okay? Bye for now.